If you've ever wanted to make your Telegram channel more interactive, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you exactly how to enable comments for your Telegram channel, so your audience can engage, ask questions, and start real conversations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your channel set up for comments, and you'll understand how it all works behind the scenes. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Telegram and head to your channel, the one where you want comments enabled. Make sure it's a channel and not just a regular group. I recommend taking a moment to double-check because Telegram handles channels and groups a bit differently. If you manage several channels, just tap the one you need. This might sound basic, but it's essential for the next steps to work. Once you're inside your channel, look up at the very top. You'll see either the channel's profile picture or its name. Tap on that. This opens up the channel's info page, which is where you can control all the important settings. Sometimes people miss this step and get stuck, so remember, always start from your channel's main page, then tap the title or pick. Now you'll notice a pencil icon, or it might say Edit. Go ahead and tap that. It's the gateway to your channel settings. If you're on desktop, it'll look a little different, but the process is similar. The settings area is where you'll find everything you need to manage your channel, from photos to permissions. Scroll down until you see the discussion option. This is the key to allowing comments. Telegram technically doesn't add comments directly to posts. It links each post to a discussion group. This way, comments stay organized and your main channel remains uncluttered. Give yourself a moment to find this setting. It's usually toward the bottom, but Telegram updates its interface from time to time. At this point, you have a choice. Telegram asks you to link a group to act as the comment section. If you don't have a group set up yet, you can tap Create a new group. This is great if you want a dedicated space just for channel discussions. You can choose a straightforward name, something like channel name. Your audience instantly knows it's related. If you already have an existing group that works, just select it instead. This flexibility lets you decide how much you want to separate your discussions from your other chats. Don't stress if you're not sure. Creating a new group is quick and you can always adjust later. When you link the group, Telegram will confirm your choice, and you'll see the discussion group listed under the channel's discussion settings. To finalize, tap the checkmark or save button. Sometimes it's in the corner, sometimes at the bottom, depending on your device. This ensures your changes are applied and you're officially set up for comments. Now let's talk about how this works in practice. After you've linked the group, any new post you make on your channel will automatically show a Leave a Comment button beneath it. This is the magic part. Your subscribers can tap that button and it opens a thread in the linked discussion group. Here, comments are organized and members can reply to each other in neat threads. It's a lot like comment sections on other social media platforms, but with Telegram's unique style. If you're used to email chains or forum posts, this structure will feel familiar. Everything is tidy and conversations don't get lost. All comments will appear both under the post for easy access and in the discussion group so you can moderate or chat just like in any normal group. It keeps your community together, organized, and easy to follow. If you ever need to change or unlink the group, just pop back into the settings and edit as needed. And that's it. Your Telegram channel is now ready for comments and real engagement. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into hiccups, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your Telegram community.